What up, guys? Welcome back to Chronic Eats. Got the Tyson chicken sandwich. Got a deal on those. My local grocery outlet sells a box of 4 of these for $6.99. Yeah, and then I got some leftover chicken thighs from Albertsons the other day. Yeah, let's get into this. Obviously, I already ate half one of these. Yeah, fucking delicious. So this thing, hook it up with onions and cilantro, some barbecue sauce and some hot sauce on there. Yeah, buddy. So these are like $1.75 a piece. You know, and I'm buying them like I did for $6.99 a box. Yeah, cheap eats. Just eat at home, guys. If you're trying to save money, eat at fucking home. Hit up Albertsons on Mondays. They got these 8-piece for like $5.99 deal. Yeah. Fucking fried chicken, man. We all know it's not that good for us, but you know, sure tastes fucking good. As long as you don't eat it every fucking day, right? Yeah. Onion, cilantro, hot sauce, barbecue sauce. Fucking awesome. Alright, guys. Thanks for checking in. Please smash that like and subscribe button. Share with the world all that cringy YouTube crap. And check out one of these next videos on the screen. Alright, guys. Have a good one. Peace.